One TV special report.
Gumanoy IG Mark I. Aljula Kathy C. Lumuktos Jade Babe L. Ocampo Nilda G. Pabriga John Lloyd. And Soliano Justin P. Congratulations, District.
District 4.
Just wait for a while, District 3. D4, District 4. Adisur, Earl John.
Alpizar Mark Anthony O. Brutal Marisa E. Dalangin Albert L. Imong Lois P. Gorecho John Excel V. Jimenez Jinlin M. Maluban IBC. Olianes Lawrence M. And Iliana Evelyn M.
Another set from District 4 under Ma'am Anna Marie R. Sibres. Aquiliano Rian S. Balangcar Grits Yen P. De la Serna Loreto Junior D. Hapay Ronald Glenn M. Lagason Wendell Nikio M. Pacante Maribel S. Pancho Fisha C. Romingo Jessa C. Sardual Love Joy D. And Tuba Isaac John G. J. Another set from District 4 under Ma'am Alin R. Gumon.
Ambrad Maryjoy M. Inumar Frank O. Huntong Brian M. Labagala Clean Dis D. Lardo Menamnor B. Lorniza Jaime R. Mutya Charlita A. And Cortijos Jason G.
We have here from District 3, Pabriga Ed Philip A. Padua Sergi Lloyd T. Martin Cherry May T. Congratulations. District 5 under Sir Roland B. Herona, Ameliana Jamaica N. Antonga Rihanna L. Ayaay Charmin T. Bation Mary Apple B. Metilio Rebony Junior E. and Poliescas CJN.
Another set under Sir Emerson D. Olmudez. Caballero Mayan R. Cañete Exiel III G. Bayok Brexan A. Galang Janine P. Manlangit Jerry F. Pamada Aiza F. Rodrigo Mighty R. and Sakin Eisenreich C.
Congratulations, District 5. Let's proceed to District 6. Under Jonathan A. Oracion, Marido Marcelino Jr. P. Cabuyaon Robertson M. Camilio Resi Jane M. Di Pareni Prince Carl O. Dorin Jean Carlo D. Election Mariel R. Evangelista Aljon O. Munoz Jerry T. Pacaldo Marley E. Paredes Chester Greg A. Revelo John Lloyd M. and Segovia Robin P. We also have here Teres Doris.
Another set from Ma'am Peribet Gaston. Apia Angela L. Baldisanso Raiden D. Baldisanso Marinela O. Barolo Giselle A. Dumati April Rose M. Gordobi Princess Kyla L. Pacaldo Aimee A. and Pamor Marifil S.
Congratulations, District 6. Let's proceed to District 7. Under Sir Armand Ciso and Sir Brendo A. Cocos, La Bastida Janer L. and Umayaw Shalomi G.
Congratulations, District 7. District 8 under Sir Nino M. Acuna. Cayetano Liza P. For B, Jonaling A. Herona John Ivan R. Lagonda Jesse S. Lagonda Johnson Day. Lapatis Elden S. Lopez John Mark P. Macahis Boname A. Ponce Joplin B. Remolado Jomons D. Rebeliesa Randolph D. Sumalpong Martin J. Villanueva John Lee S. and Villanueva Dominic C.
Another set from District 8 under Sir Ferralex Osorio. Agias Mark Eldrian N. Camus Angeline A. Francisco Angel May C. Razonable Rachel R. and Sanchez Feliciano Jr. M. Congratulations, District 8.
District 9 under Sir Jaymar Aba. Ayin Angeline C. Bito J.O. L. Bulawan Mikaela Yu. Bula Victoria Christian R. Dumape Juben L. Florentino Renante A. and Nico Hermoso Salvia D.
Another set from Ma'am Michelle M. Abalo. Araniego Abigail B. Bukoy Janlay P. Bulando John Mark R. Cabahog Sarah Sachi. Di Gracia Jacqueline R. De la Vega Eugenio A.
Another set from Ma'am Ninalu Palanas. Blozo Catherine D. Mahusay Alberto Jr. C. Puto BBG. Sabato J. Ayan B. Soto Annalisa J. Congratulations, District 9.
District 10 under Ma'am Nenaline Mayorno, Agad Natasha Nel V. Anghay Jolham. Reyes Rena. Rosalina Arnel A. Syndrome Michael.
Another set from Sir Rodjeli S. Kabul. Bacolinaw, Sam Audrey S. Baptist Jovin Gabriel C. Mortas Jonalyn G. Plaza Kirsten D. Rabador Gerald D. And Villegas Jerry P.
Congratulations, everyone. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
We now proceed with the reading of the missions from the Secretary of Education. May request Dr. Ian Francis E. Veloso, Public Schools District Supervisor of District 1.
Good afternoon once again to everyone. Before I proceed, let me once again acknowledge the presence of the distinguished guests who have joined us in this momentous occasion. To our Regional Director, Dr. Rod L. Fuentes, CISO 3, to our Honorable City Mayor, Attorney Sam Norman G. Fuentes, Chairman of the City School Board, to the City Council of Osamis City, with us this afternoon, our Income Chair, Honorable Cecil Go, ma'am, together with our ISKIN Federated Chair, Honorable Danfield Doy Lungsod, sir, to our Schools Division Superintendent, Dionisio L. Iwanon Jr., CISO 6, sir. To our Chief of the Curriculum Implementation Division, Dr. May P. Iriantes, our Education Program Supervisors, and the Division ALS Focal Person, Eulalia Luis Ropinta, sir. To our two EPS in ALS, si Ma'am Roslyn Fasciol and Ma'am Mary Jane L. Nomoxo. To the Education Program Supervisors present, my colleagues, the PSDSS of the different districts of the Division of Osamis City, to our school head, Ma'am Lilibet Y. Abamonga, to the DepEd officials present, our barangay chairman, may hapon, our barangay councilors, and SK representatives. To our beloved parents, ELS teachers, families of our graduates, most especially to our ELS completers and successful A&E passers, our elementary and secondary level graduates. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Karong adlaw, mga igsoon, malipayon kitang magsaulog sa inyong linain nga kalampusan. Ug uban niini atong gidala ako sa kamalandog nga tingog sa Departamento sa Edukasyon. Ang challenges nga inyong nakayanan at napagtagumpayan, ang pag-aaral kahit pagod na at malalim na ang gabi, ang pag-asang hindi nagmamaliw, mga katangiang hindi kailanman sumuko. From the national office down to our schools division, we celebrate every single one of you. It is now my honor and privilege to read and deliver to you the message of our Secretary of the Department of Education. A message of recognition, encouragement, and hope for every ELS learners who has proven that education knows no boundaries. So with that, please lend me your ears as I share to you the Secretary's message. Isang pagkabaluhang araw sa ating lahat. As we conclude this school year, we do more than close a chapter. We honor the strength that carried our learners, teachers, and families through months of hard work, sacrifice, and hope. Sa ating mga mag-aaral, this year was not always easy. May mga araling mahirap intindihin, at mga pagsubok na tila nakakapagod. Yet, you stayed course and learned to rise setbacks after setbacks. That resilience will matter far beyond the classroom. Our schools became second homes where friendships were formed and confidence slowly rebuilt. Hindi lamang kaalaman ang natutunan ninyo, kundi disiplina, malasakit, at tibay na loob. Mga katangiang buhubog sa inyo bilang mga kabataang handang manguna ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. Behind every learner's success stands a community. Yan sila, saksi. To our teachers, thank you for teaching not only lessons but courage. To our parents and families, your support made every achievement possible. Education is truly a shared responsibility as our barangay officials are giving you their full support. Palakpakan natin sila. This year, we continued strengthening the foundations of basic education, from sharpening the revised K-10 curriculum and expanding senior high school pathways to sustaining programs that help learners recover essential skills and better supporting our teachers. Under the leadership of our President, we remain committed to building an education system that prepares Filipino learners for the future. As we celebrate the end of school year rites, your graduation this afternoon, we are reminded of the aspiration that guides our efforts this year. Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. This reflects the kind of learners we strive to nurture. Young Filipinos who are not only academically prepared but also guided by integrity, compassion, and strong sense of responsibility to serve others. To our learners, moving forward, especially our graduates, this is the only beginning, or this is only the beginning. Dalhin ninyo ang sipag, disiplina, at malasakit na hinubog sa inyo. Knowledge will open doors, but character will define your path. We are proud of you. We believe in you. And we will continue building a stronger future for every Filipino learner. Maraming salamat po. Sumasa inyo, Secretary Sani Atgaran.
Thank you, Sir Ryan.
At this juncture, we are going to hear a message from our Education Committee Chairman of Ozama City. We have here Honorable City Councilor Cecil Y. Cole.
A very, very warm afternoon to all of us. To our stars of the show, ang mga graduates nato, atong pakpakan. It's so nice to see a lot of ALS graduates today. Our DepEd, my second family in the government service, my DepEd family, headed by Sir Diony Liwagon, and ang atong mga ALS stars of the show. Of course, Sir Yulalio, Ma'am May, our Chief May, and the Queen of ALS, ang duha nato ka Queen of ALS. Asa naman si Ma'am? Pakita, pagkawas diri Ma'am Jane. Ma'am Jane, Ma'am Roslyn. So, ganina, na-mention naman ang tanan-tanan nato ng mga personalities din. So, kuriraso na lang ako. Again, good afternoon to all of us. Muhatag ko na ko inspiring message. Pero, naguna-una ko, wala man siguro ko'y mahatag nga inspiration message ninyo. Kaya nga naman, murag ako man tingali ang na-inspired nga nakakita ninyo nga naa din karon in graduate. So happy kaayo ako ang feeling, mura ra po ko usa ka mother nga nakakita sa akong anak nga ni graduate diri. Kay imagine your experience, imagine your kahago nga nakaabot ra gyud mo, naka-achieve ra gyud mo sa ato ang graduation, ni-graduate na gyud mo sa ato ang junior level or junior high. Naapabay gusto mo padayon after sa junior high, mo padayon ng senior high, then after that mag-college. Daghan nagdamgo ana nato karon, magdamgo gyud ta, no? Dili gyud pwede nga tapat na ta dinhi. Kay ganina sa mga message sa ato ang RD Ruth, sa ato ang mayor, mutaas ang value sa ato ang ngalan, sa ato ang personal national level. So magkataas, magkaedad ta, magkadaghan, magkadugang ang atong extension sa atong ngalan. O, di ba? Dr. Arlene Villa, Masters in blah blah, Diplomate in blah blah, Doctorate in etc. etc. So magkataas ang extension, magkataas ang value. Never mind the appearance. So, today, I am just very excited. Ganina, medyo paspas ang pag-announce ni Mayor sa iyang surprise sa inyo ha. This is the first time sa atong ALS graduation na nahitabo nga naay surprise graduation gift ang ato ang LGU of Osamis pinaagi sa ato ang tugihan na Mayor Sam Norman Gofuentes. Aside from the tablets na ihatag niya sa ato ang mga graduates, sa ato ang mga junior completers, naapod siya food packs, KFC, na ihatag sa inyo. Uulit ta nga dili ta gutom, uulit ta nga puno ang ato ang bitbit sa ato mga kamot. So happy to be part of your achievement, of your graduation. Kani nga tablet, I know, dako kay matabang sa inyo. Ganina, nag-interview ni sa OFOP, no? Kaning college grants, scholarship grants, tuition fee grants, no? Para sa itong college. Ang uban, low ilang grado. Ganun na low man inyong grado. Ma'am, naamang good subjects na require of online answering of question, online attendance of a klase, of a lesson. Then naami mga assignments, naami mga activities na need og cellphone. Ma'am, naguba manggod akong cellphone at that time. Ma'am, wala ko'y cellphone. Mauna, ang ilang grado, ang uban, failure, ang uban, 75. So kung naadya yung insakto lang ang gadget, unta nakakuha sila og high score above 80, which is the requirement of being an OFOP grantee. So karon kaning atong tablet, dako kay ning matabang sa inyohang additional or further education, puhon-puhon, utiwas ta og senior high. After senior high, utiwas ta og college, attain ta og college degree. Ato ang tablet, dako kay ni makatabang. I know, dili na gyud mo makakuha og grado nga 75. I know that with this, mo improve ang ato ang performance sa atong school. Malipay bataan na nga nakadawat ta og free nga tablet, no, more than a cellphone. So unsaon nato ang tablet karon nga madawat nato? Magdula dayon taog ML. Dayon ipahulan dayon sa girlfriend. Ipahulan dayon sa atong mga barkada. Pagkahuman din na mauli. Please take good care of this unit. This gift is once in a lifetime gift. You go to other divisions. You go to other cities, other LGUs. Naa ba sila tablet ihatag kung mo-graduate ta sa ALS? Wala. So, once in a lifetime opportunity. Ingon atong mga teacher sa likod, grabe palangga yung kaayo ninyo ang DepEd sa ato ang LGU. Palangga kay ni Mayor. Because nakita ni Mayor unsa ang importance sa insakto nga education. Without education, without a college degree, without skills and abilities, maglisod jud ang pangitag trabaho. Unsaon nato puyong, malinawon, malambuon, Liberty nga na mainstream na sa ato ang community. They also will receive one tablet as graduation gift as having completed the junior ALS. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Cecil Wyco. According to her, physical beauty may fade with time, but education remains a treasure that never loses its value.
Maminaw ang katong naay tawagon nga mga ngalan. Kini sila maoy makadawat sampol nga napulo ka buok dili na bawion. Ini kahuman nila og dawat di ani sa stage kay naka-record na ang ilang serial numbers. We shall give that to them and have this distribution list signed. Sige. Ang the rest, kunya ka lang, ini kahuman. Ato sa humanon ang atong programa. Syndrome or Syndrome Michael. Ani din sa atubangan dito sa center. Utlang Andi. Utlang Andi. Bakulinaw Sam Audrey. Number 3, Bakulinaw Sam Audrey. Number 4, Kabukwas Rodney. Number 5, Dantes Jovin Gabriel. Dantes Jovin Gabriel. Dali nyo, mo-expire na ang QR code. Number 6, Montes Junaline. Number 7, Plaza Chrisline. Plaza Chrisline. Number 8, Labadon Gerald. Number 9, Ranieses Ariel. Wala. Pagkahuman, ang natawag o nidawat na sa ilahang tablets, mopirma sa distribution list. Dito, katong nailang isa sa daplit o inyong pangitaon si Sir June Marigobin. Congratulations sa inyong tanan. dili mabalakang kay mag-apod yun mo sa gadgets. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Didi Mabuan High, you will receive yours later.
Division of Ozamis City of Ozamis, is hereby awarded this plaque of recognition to Honorable Cecil Y. Ko, City Councilor, Education Committee Chair, in grateful recognition and sincere appreciation of the unwavering commitment, invaluable support, and dedicated partnership in advancing lifelong learning and opportunities through the alternative learning system. Given this 11th day of June 2026, during the ARS graduation and completion ceremony for school year 2025-2026 at Ozamis City National High School, Lamhan, Ozamis City, Philippines. Signed.